What's up guys, here's Claudio from Visual Model WordPress themes, and in today's video we're going to learn how to turn this image into that image with this nice ripped cropped effect, okay? And you can do this with every image that you would like. How to do this on Canva is what I'm going to learn. But before I can continue, please take a moment to hit the subscribe button and like this video. After, go to your Canva, place your image, align this to the center and duplicate the image. Into the first part of the image, click and go to Edit. Once on Edit, scroll down and go to Filter. Click on See All. Now scroll down until you find the filter called Newspaper. Then turn the first image back to the place, just like this, and crop it. Just like this. I think like this is okay and this is okay. Now go to your left sidebar of menus, click on Elements and find Ripped Paper. Click and type Ripped Paper, go to Graphics and find some that is on your alignment. I think this one looks fancy. Duplicate, repeat the process into the top, just like this. I think like this, gonna be okay. Now, click into the original image, duplicate again, align this to the center, remove background, and crop it, just like this. And here is the final result. Nice, right? And that is. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Feel free to use the comment section below in the case that you have any question. And I see you guys tomorrow. All the best!